Hey everyone, in this video I'll be demonstrating the use of Magika in your Python API to detect file types. Magika is Google's ML-based file type detection model in near constant inference time regardless of file sizes. Utilizes Upload API in Swagger to return detected file type. Supports Python 3.8 to 3.11. Works on Linux, Windows, and Mac. I'm using latest version of Django Ninja in Python 3.11 environment. There are 3 ways to use Magika. Firstly, we can make use of web demo that demonstrates usage of Magika using npm or JavaScript. Secondly, we can install Magika as Python package and call the executable directly with command line arguments to detect files and even directories recursively. Lastly, we can make use of Python APIs in our Python application to read files in chunks and determine file types. I'll add the links and GitHub repository in the description as always. Let's get started. In the first method, that is web demo, you can simply attach files by dragging and dropping or even use file picker to choose and it will classify the file type. You will see the result with bunch of file types listed along with progress bar highlighting the probability of detected file types for the attached file. Now I'll demonstrate the second method on how to use it via command line. For that, we will install Magika package globally and simply call the executable. You can check the available commands using Magika help. You can directly pass a file to the Magika and it will display a colored output the file type. If you dislike colors, you can pass no colors argument. If you want to check file types within directory or folder, you can pass R argument to Magika as shown. You can abort the processing using shortcut key Ctrl+C. To get results in JSON format, you can pass JSON argument as shown. For single file it will be quick. For directories it will be slow if you lot of files and command prompt or terminal will be unresponsive. If you want to get file types with only high confidence with score, you can pass M high confidence and S as shown in the command prompt. You can check supported file types detected by Magika using the argument list output content types. Finally, I will show you on how to integrate Magika into your file upload API endpoint. If you're new to Django Ninja, you can refer my Django Ninja tutorial. We will make use of uploaded file Django API to handle the file upload. In the upload endpoint, pass file argument. If you're working with only small file sizes, you can skip the chunked file loading and simply read the full file into memory. Otherwise, we will efficiently load only few chunks of file date to determine file types for better resource usage. Import Magika module, initialize Magika class and use identify bytes API to detect file types in the function check file types Magika. I'll be using Django Ninja docs URL to upload various file and get the output. I've made some improvements to the script to read huge executable files to instantly return the results. With this we reached the end of the video. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section, and if you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again to all my subscribers and the community for your continued support.